Hello, hello, hello. Today is April 2nd, 2024. Welcome to the Stock Trading Channel. To those who are new to the channel, and to those who have been here before, welcome back. Good to have you with us today. Today we are looking at NXL XTIA and VVPR. And NXL broke above 200-day moving average last week, and the move has been incredible. Today we got a move, a continuation move from yesterday high. If I were to watch this stock today, entry would be right here. A move above 50-minute moving average at 190, not at 191, or a break above yesterday high at 216, which is right here. And as always, if you didn't enter here, and you jump in the stock midday, like after 7, when it made new high, when it broke out and made new high at 260. As you can see here, we got a big move up, strength. We got high, second high, and third high, and that is the theme. Is one of the big, one of the main thing that we look for on this channel. We look for a big move up and then 3 high, and a pullback to, in this case, previous day high or down here would be a great place for entry. But right here, from previous day high, pull back to previous day high, is a great place for entry right here. And after it pulled back to 222, it went on to make 2 new high of the day, and the highest was at 3.4. Going forward, where would be support going forward? Going forward, support would be this point right here. This high, 258. Either if it broke under 258, the next one will be right here, 233. So that's where I look for support for this going forward. So at 2, let's clear this out so you can see better on the daily chart where that is. Going forward, I will be expecting a pullback, a retest of 260, which is right here. 250 is a psychological number, so I would say 225, 26 area. Okay, and that is NXL. Before moving on to the next chart, if you find the video informative, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. or drop a comment, as I like to hear what you have to say. Moving on to XTIA. XTIA gained 70% today. So if you're new to the channel, you will see that I will continually look for this pattern right here. A big move up, okay, followed by a big move up, followed by new high, and new high. So when it make this pattern right here, the pullback always near moving average, not up here. I would look for a moving average somewhere in the big move up right here. So in this case, is this area. And let's retest this area like twice, and then finally it moved. It made new high in after hour at $5. So again, the big move up. We want to see a big move up. We don't want to buy breakout. We don't want to buy breakout here. We don't want to buy breakout here and get a pullback. We don't want to buy breakout here and get a big, huge pullback right here. I have seen this so many times. You want to be patient because there's always a pullback for every breakout, just like every pullback for a sell-off. So you want to find support area once you get a confirmed pattern like this: strength, high, and a pullback. Okay. Now, how do you enter this area? Right? How do you make a trade here? Okay. When you got a pullback to this area, any of these is a great place for entry, because here at $3, it's a high in pre-market area is 4.6, so 3 is a huge discount. Even go down to here, you can add, but very unlikely. You know why? Because right here it's hitting it getting really close to moving average on the 5-minute chart. So even if you enter here and you go red here, it's fine. It's fine because we have a big confirmation of strength in pre-market in this area. So even if we go down to here, I expect it to pull back up. And normally, this pattern, often, it will make at least, it will test day high, at least. And in this case, it make new high in after hour. Next, we are going to look at, well, going forward, I will mark this area because we have a breakout here and test and breakout here. So going forward, I'm going to say this I'm gonna say this is the new um, the new um, the new support going forward for XTIA. VV VVPR. Now VVPR is different because it's not always you have a big move up, new high, new high, new high. Not always the case that you're gonna get new high. Okay, this thing is something completely different because it has to do with how big of a move um, it has made today. By the time it by 7 o'clock, it was 775, and the day yesterday low, yesterday high was 16. It actually it closed yesterday at 137. So today high was 775. That's 465% gain. I would never. I don't recommend buying a break. This is one of the reason why buying breakout is such a bad idea. You buy the breakout here, you got pullback from 70.75 to 522. So do not buy breakout. You buy breakout here, you got pullback here. You buy breakout here, you got pullback here. Okay, don't ever buy breakout. So um, um, the lesson on VPPR is do not buy breakout when the stock already made 465% gain on the day. Do not buy breakout. Do not buy breakout. The only place you want to buy breakout is right here. This is the only place you want to buy breakout. Even this here, why here was a great place to buy breakout. Here you have at 590 from, and you have day high to look forward to. Okay, it's clearly trading in the range right here, and finally broke above 50-minute moving average. So right here is a great place for entry to trade breakout. But you want to sell up here. Okay, you want to sell up here. Don't expect it to make like 1,000%, and it go back to what is your strategy for profit taking and risk management. Do you want to go for 1,000%? I like if your goal is going for 1,000%, you're gonna fail miserably over and over and over again. But your goal is to gain 5, 10, 5, 10%, 20%, 30% a trade, and just take profit, and you move on to the next one. It's very achievable. It's very achievable. So $6 here up to here is 7.5. What's that? I mean, that's $1.50 just within less than half an hour. That's very. So it all had to do with it all had to do with how your strategy. And that is all we have for today. that is all we have for today. Again, um, if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up or drop a comment, as I like to hear what you have to say. Thank you.